Everything looks good on social media.
बात तो सही है.
The degree, the company name, and the placement. But nobody shows you what actually happened behind the scene. So today I will.
Hi everyone, my name is Sophia and welcome back to Unscripted Sophia.
My journey started in 2024. I did my graduation in BSc Zoology and I quickly realized that there is no job in my field. So I started a regular job of 18,000 rupees per month, and in that job I got a first award for highest customer responses. That moment told me something. I am good with people. I can sell and I can communicate. So I decided to go for my higher education, which is MBA, and I decided to do my MBA in marketing. So I joined an MBA college. I will not reveal the name because they did not pay me to advertise for them. So if you want to know, you can comment below. I will tell you personally in the comment section or in your DM. But here is what I expected when I joined. So first thing was networking, learning marketing growth, but here is what I got: judgmental peoples, overconfident classmates, and a college that focused on one thing only: getting you placed in a sales. Because from a tier 3 college, only sales company comes, top companies comes too, but for a smaller roles, not like IAM or not even close. But then something changed. My college gave me an internship at Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail, and that internship changed everything. I learned things no classroom ever taught me. So real work, real pressure, and real results. And sitting there, I made a decision. I want to be in the same group, the same company. This is where I belong. So I worked for it. And when placement season came, Aditya Birla Group came to our campus too. I applied, I cleared every single round, I got selected, same company, same group, but now as a full-time employee. Not because of my college, because of my internship experience and what I had learned there. So if you want to get into a top MNC, here is the one thing I will tell you. Find your internship there first, because internship can convert into a PPO, a pre-placement offer, and even if it does not, when that company came to your campus, you have to do something nobody else has. Real experience, real story, real result from inside that company wants. That is what gets you selected, not your college name, not your percentage, not your... Everything looked perfect on social media, but this is what actually happened. If you want to more of this real unscripted truths, then please subscribe my channel and comment below. Are you also figuring out your MBA journey right now? I will read every single comment and see you in the next video.